Dearest Guruji, I'm sure there are many people like me who won't be able to go to Berlin and are feeling sad about it. What do you think they should do?
No,
How
no,
should
you
they
shouldn't.
celebrate the occasion here?
No need to feel sad at all. Everything will be telecast here. In this modern age, we have webcast, we have telecast. It's all going to happen. Why you feel sorry? No need. And see, we have so many satsangs. Today there is satsang. People in Germany must be feeling sad that they could not come here. See, here every day Guruji is giving satsangs. There only for a week, not even for a week. So, I travel because there are many who cannot travel. For their sake I travel. Okay. You should be as happy and as comfortable as if you had gone. How you would have felt. The same way, you should feel comfortable even being here. Okay. I know it is a lot of expense and a lot of effort to get the visas and this and this and this. It's not an easy thing. So, that's why telecast and webcast are being arranged. You know, you can sit and watch. And what is there to watch? I'm saying the same thing. Now, here you have so many celebrations. So often you have celebrations. In every province I have gone and we have done celebration. The first time in Europe they wanted to have a big celebration. I said, okay. So they are organizing, I'm going to go and do the same thing there. So, it's nothing unusual, or it's not that you're going to go to Berlin, then you get some special blessing will descend on you. Nothing of that sort. Okay. If that is the case, I would have told you, come on, get into the plane, come with me. There's nothing of that sort. No special blessing there and no non-special blessing here. Okay. So you should feel happy, and next year, 2012, we will have 130-year celebration here also, in India also. Somewhere in India. We'll prepare, maybe New Delhi or somewhere. Yeah. That of course everyone can catch a train and come there.